कश्मीर, दुनिया की जन्नत, भारत का दिल। आइए चलिए एक बार फिर जाके मिलें हमारे अपनों से, छू के देखें उनके दिलों को और उत्सव मनाएं हमारी जन्नत का।
The accession of the state of Jammu and Kashmir to India, signed by the Maharaja on 26 October 1947. Jammu and Kashmir is administered by India as a union territory. What is a union territory? To understand the difference between state and union territory, state has a separate governing body,
whereas Union Territory is directly governed by the central government or union government.
Traditional dress for women and men is Pehran.
Jammu Kashmir is home to pristine lakes, stunning gardens, ancient temples, and Buddhist monasteries. The capital is Srinagar in summer and Jammu in winter. The languages spoken are Kashmiris, Dogri, Ladakhi, and Urdu.
Kashmir is famous for tourism, its saffron and its beautiful weather, the dry fruits, the apples, the Gulmarg gondola, the shikaras and the charchinars.
Jammu and Kashmir state filled with Buddhist relics. The oldest and the most beautiful monastery in the state of Jammu and Kashmir is the Alchi Gompa in the Alchi village. The monastery has beautiful paintings on the inside and the large statues of Lord Buddha. Another Basgo monastery situated 40 kilometers from Leh. Noteworthy features of the Basgo monastery include the Buddha statues and wall mural paintings. Famous for the tall Padmasambhava statue, the Chemri Gompa is another must-visit Buddhist temple in Jammu and Kashmir, located at a short distance from Leh. Diskit Monastery, famous for being the oldest and largest in the state, Diskit is noted for its beautiful Maitreya statue. Historical document states that the region of present-day Kashmir was formerly a lake. Thus, its name derived from several translations that deals with water. Kashmir's old capital Srinagar was first found by the Buddhist Emperor Ashoka, and the region served as the center of Buddhism. The important Buddhist, ancient and the medieval archaeological sites and monuments of Jammu region includes those of Ambaran and Manda, Aknur, Sakhi Maidan, Milind Panho Koshan of Minandar, Kalaban site of Buddhist Kundalwan Vihara, where 4th Buddhist conference seems to be held in the times of Kanishka, and where the account of deliberation of this conference were carved on copper plates and deposited in the Vihara. This is the Buddhist heritage of Jammu and Kashmir. On this auspicious occasion, we wish you all a happy Republic Day.